Done a lot of work then since last time we were up here to come and see you.
Oh. It's been a rush.
Yeah.
Only came back last Sunday.
Wow.
Ian brought it back in his Land Rover. It's an interesting drive with the A500.
About 3 years ago.
Was it?
Yeah.
Didn't feel that long ago.
No.
Ah, he's probably. Ran it in Steam for the first time 2 weeks ago.
Oh yeah.
Privately at Adams. We only did the boiler test last Monday. Bit of a rush to get it here, but we got it here. beach. Ice creams. Well, tin coffee for the adults. Cakes. Yeah. Had a picnic down the beach and then go back again. We did that a couple of times. That was good. 7.5 miles is not bad.
Because we went to on smoke, Steam Monoloc. We saw the lump of pork in the front. The smoke in the
Oh, in a pot, yeah.
Yeah, in the tin foil. You said you turn it around halfway through. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that was quite interesting. We got a photo of that.
We used to cook stuff in the old Wallace track now. You'd finish the day, bank the fire up, and we had a big cat iron on the lid, and stick the old stew in there, and we can use it, nip over to the beer tent. Have a couple of points and the thing's on, and then about 9 o'clock you come back out to the beer tent and